This is very good. You should cook this, believe me. And your chef! Hello, welcome to my channel All About Life. Today we are going to make some things with these eggplants or aubergine. I don't know, let's call them eggplants. I had these 3 eggplants for a while in my fridge, and you know, I have a WhatsApp group with my relatives, some aunties, uncles and cousins. I just throw a message and I asked, I have 3 aubergines, what should I do? One of my cousins said, do the juggling. Very funny, really. Yeah, I hate this cousin who told me to do the juggling. But after I thought a little bit and I said, this is not a bad idea. Yes, simple, 3 aubergines and juggling. What else can I do? You see, I don't have any other ingredients by the way. And it's simple, right? You will throw the first one, second one, third one, but before the third one you should catch the first one, so let's try. I knew it was simple, but I will repeat for you to understand better, because it was fast maybe. Like this, hop, hop, and hop. Yeah. Let's forget about the juggling. I'm not good at it, but I'm good at cooking, so, you know. Let's do deep fried aubergines as my aunt suggested after my cousin's bright idea. She told me the recipe how to do it. And then other auntie said, better do this way. And then the other auntie said, no, I do it for many years and it's good the other way. And you know, actually, I think now they're fighting in their private WhatsApp messages out of the group, but I got the idea. So I will continue and I will share what I did later with them, so they will watch together with you. So we will first make stripes on this one by peeling and start the preparing of the eggplants. Yep, like this. How can a peeler does to me? I am already labeled as the best home chef. And look at this. You know what it belongs after this video. I have nothing to do with it anymore. But for now, for the sake of the production, I will keep on using it. Okay, so you see, after some threads, it became functional again. Now we will cut them. Cutting is a problem because my auntie told me don't cut it too thick and don't cut it too thin. So I don't know what is too thick and what is too thin. For example, if I cut this much, is it too thick? I think. And this much is very thin. So it should be something like this probably. I hope there won't be another family crisis after they see how thick I performed cutting them. This will be quite big circle, so let's cut it into 2 and continue. After cutting all of them, we will take them to a bowl and we will put a lot of salt with water, and they should rest in this salty water around an hour or so. My auntie told me to do like this, and then we will cook them. So we have 2 bowls of eggplant. We need to put water and a lot of salt. So let's put first the salt and then the water. Okay, so we will start cooking now. We are using some sunflower oil for the cooking purposes. So you see it's in the top position because we have to start in a hot oil. Maybe this one wasn't hot enough, but all the rest will be very good. I will be back just after all the things finished, and then we will eat and taste together. Finally, I finished cooking. It took about 40-45 minutes to cook all of them. And this is the final product of the deep frying of the eggplants. Now we will make a very nice tomato sauce because it goes very good with this kind of eggplant fries. So let's put it aside and start to prepare our tomato sauce. For our tomato sauce we will use tomatoes, garlic, a little bit of sugar, some salt and some vinegar. We will start preparing the tomatoes by peeling them with the famous peeler. Do you remember what did this peeler made during the peeling process of these eggplants? I will not forgive this one. Now let's prepare some garlic. Some olive oil. Let's chop the tomatoes. Let's put some salt and let them cook. So we chop the garlic and add it to the tomatoes, cooking in olive oil with some salt, and the smell even just now started to be very attractive. We need to put a little bit sugar. So let's check. Okay, as you see, the water has gone. You can see the level when we first started. Now the sauce is cooked. We can close. Now we will put some vinegar measured in oak wax. I only use this one. I only use measured in oak wax. This is very important. Otherwise, tomato sauce. Let's put a little bit more like vinegar. And we are done. That's the end of the tomato sauce. Now we will pour the sauce on top of the eggplants and we will enjoy. Here's our fried eggplants and here's our sauce. And now they will be together for the good. What do you say? Shall we call Pablo and ask if it's good? Pablo is not cooperative with me in this video recording cooking sessions. He will taste it later. It's time to taste. Let's do it. Are you ready? This is more than good. This is very good. You should cook this, believe me. Please comment below what would you like to see me cooking, and let's cook together and have some fun. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.